Hey guys, it's Vinny here. I'm going to be doing an installation video on the Kartboy shifter bushings for a 2006 Subaru WRX. These are going to be the same ones for 2002 to 2012 WRXs. I got mine off of Amazon, 30 bucks or something. Everything's like real sloppy feeling. So that's in first gear, and it has a lot of wiggle in first gear. Pull it down to neutral just so you guys can see that's neutral. Go in there. Has a lot of play in all the gears. Get your car either lifted up or on a lift, one or the other. You're gonna need a 12mm socket. This right here is your shifter bushing sticking out on both sides. That's black right there. There's a 12mm right here. I already had loosened it. Yeah, so once you get that off, you're going to have a metal bracket to pull off as well, which is right here. You can kind of see my hands around it. You have to wiggle it off. As you can see, I got the metal piece off. Now, you basically are just gonna pull this rod off like that. We're gonna have to pull this bushing out. You could do it a couple different ways. I've seen people cut them, get a screwdriver like a flathead and start peeling it out. I'm cutting the one side of that bushing off, and I'm basically just gonna pull it through the other side, and it should come right out. And then the new Kartboy ones are two separate ones, so I can just slide each side in, bolt it back up, and it's done. It should be a maybe 5-10 minute job. I'm gonna do my best to try to show you what I just did. All right, I cut the left side. I cut this side, right? I cut that off. As I peeled it like back with a flathead and power lubed it inside. And then I got a long needle nose pliers and pulled it from this right side, and I pulled the whole thing out, and there it is. So I got the shifter bushing, got the top one in, yeah, and then I reached up and slid it right in on top. This is pushed all the way up. That's the easiest way to get these in. Left side, it's gonna go in like that. I'm gonna make sure you push it in straight as you can. There you go. Okay, now that's on. And now it's just a matter of working it into that hole. Wow, got it with one hand. Skills. You're gonna grab your metal plate and your nut. Metal plate goes on like that. Put the nut on and tighten that back up. I forget what the torque pounds is. I think it's around 15 pounds of torque. I think it's not super duper tight, so don't go and like strip the bolt or anything. You know, just tighten it, snug it down. Anyway, go tighten that up, and then we're gonna go check it out and see how it is. It is fully installed. There you go. Waiting for the rear mount to come in the mail. That's gonna not be fun. So stiff, I would say. Not as sloppy, I guess. I still haven't done the rear bushings. Yeah, I mean, very, very smooth. So I'm very happy with it so far. As far as the Kartboy shifter bushings, I definitely recommend them. And like I said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Leave a comment, and thanks for watching.